locked out, or need a security upgrade. Crown Locksmith is here for you. We provide fast, reliable locksmith services in San Bernardino and the surrounding areas. Whether it's your home, business, or vehicle, we have the expertise to get the job done right. Lost your keys? We offer key replacements and rekeying services on the spot. Need better security? We install high-quality locks, deadbolts, and advanced access systems. Emergency lockouts. Our team is available 24/7 to get you back inside safely. We specialize in car key programming, ignition repair, and transponder key services. Protect your business with master key systems, high-security locks, and keyless entry solutions. Home security is our priority. We install and repair locks for doors, gates, and safes. Crown Locksmith is licensed, insured, and committed to top-notch service. We work with trusted brands to ensure durability and peace of mind. No hidden fees, just honest pricing and professional service you can trust. Serving San Bernardino with speed, expertise, and a customer-first approach. Don't let a lock problem slow you down. Call Crown Locksmith today. Reach us at 909-528-8361 for immediate assistance. Visit www.crownlocksmithy.com to learn more about our services.